when giving advice to clients gets repetitive, what keeps you motivated as a health and fitness coach?
Good question.
Yeah, I like that one.
Not many times I get asked a question that I haven't been asked before, and that one it may not have been. You know, you got to remember, why are you in this? You're in this to help people. And you got to understand that you put out a video, it doesn't mean every single one of your followers have watched that video, or maybe the follower just started following you. I am so blessed and so grateful to be in this position where I am, that I actually have a following who listens to what I say, and it's changing their lives. And I mean, I don't take that for granted. So yes, I'll get asked the same question, how to lose belly fat 50 million times, but if it's getting them results and it's helping them get past the barriers that they're seeing in their life, I just remember what had happened to my life when I changed. I just don't take it for granted. I'm very, very honored that you guys are asking your questions.
These videos are new. Not everyone wants to dig through our 2009 videos, you know, to see what we said before. And things do change.
They do change.
So I think, you know, we're always continuing to learn and grow and change the way that we do things and the way that we advise things.
Yeah.
So sometimes answers do change.
Yeah.
And that's why we keep answering the same questions over and over without being annoyed by it.
We're lifelong students, so like
Yeah.
what you saw me say in the 2012 video may have changed. People out there saying you changed, you're a bandwagon, like you're jumping on this and that. I think what you should be saying is congratulations for actually continuing your education and learning and experimenting and figuring things out, because like I'm gonna say right now, things that I said on this podcast probably in 3 years could change, because different things come out, new studies come out. Like, you always have to be staying on top of the information that's out there. But I will say this one thing, which if you guys do have questions, you want to find it out for yourself, go to LiveLeanTV.com, and in the search bar, I've showed you guys this before, just type in whatever question you have. And I guarantee you there will be something coming up on our search results in our LiveLeanTV website that will help you with that. We'll have a video on it, we'll have a blog on it. There's so much resources in that, guys. That's a valuable resource if you do want to find out your questions right away. You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.